Okay, just made up a new batch of these Stokes tools, so let's see how they work out. So get your glove for safety. That's all you need pretty much. That. I got my blank. This could be regular glass so you can learn how to knap. So the way this thing works, this long piece is a guide, so it's just on top, and then you put either one of these little copper bits on there, and you push in like that, so it kind of takes the flakes off. Sometimes you got to get a little twist, pop it off, so let's do a couple of quick ones. It's a nice piece of silver sheen here. Alright, so if you use one that's closest to you, you're going to get more force than the one away from you, because you're going to use your legs to squeeze it. Let's just see if it's, yeah, that's better. Alright, so it goes there. You got to have safety glasses because the flakes come upwards on this. And we just popped off a flake. So, see it? So the next one should get bigger. Kind of going easy because it's a nice piece of rock here. So squeeze it with your legs and pop it. So starting to get some flakes there. You can, harder you squeeze, the longer these flakes are going to be. So, see that? Whoop. There's a crack right there. Let me show you on a regular piece of glass. So I've already taken a couple flakes off the bottom here. So I'm going to use the one furthest away from me. Pop. Do some more. Show you how quick this thing works. Pop. Pop. Nope. Got a rounded edge there. Got to have a square edge. So let me get the camera up a little bit closer so you can see what's going on here. I don't know if you can see that. I might have to put it against my shirt or something. There, see those flakes? Just that quick. So if you got a good square edge on there, you could go through that in like 10 seconds, be done with that whole thing. And then all you have to do is come in and do your finishing. But that's the Stokes tool, named after Mr. Stokes. Rest in peace. But it's a great little tool.